Have an interest in cars? Then Automotive is the right place for you.
Everything that you learn and everything that you do out here on the shop on the excavations.
Students will be introduced to the fundamentals of purchasing, owning, maintaining, and servicing a vehicle.
Everything you learn in this class could teach you like real world skills. I think it's a valuable class. You learn a lot of valuable things in this class.
Earn college credit through SBSEC, as well as the chance to earn industry certification. We're learning about different parts of the car, from the brakes, motor, and more, while being able to service them. Take the wheel and join Automotive.